Welcome to the Alphabet Zoo Jamboree.
Let's learn the alphabet.
A is for ant, marching in a line. B is for bear, who loves the sunshine. C is for cat, with a purr so sweet. D is for dog, with fast, happy feet. E is for elephant, stomping in the mud. F is for frog, giving legs a big thud. G is for goat, on a mountain so steep. H is for horse, a gallop and a leap. I is for iguana, so green and so still. J is for jellyfish, with a wibbly-wobbly thrill. K is for kangaroo, with a jump and hop. L is for lion, with a mighty loud pop. M is for monkey, swinging by the tail. N is for newt, on a slippery trail. O is for owl, with a wide, wise stare. P is for penguin, waddling with care. Q is for quail, quick and quite small. R is for rabbit, bouncing by the wall. S is for snake, making loops in the grass. T is for tiger, in stripes as you pass. U is for urchin, pointy and round. V is for vulture, circling round and round. W is for whale, singing a deep song. X is for x-ray fish, see-through and long. Y is for yak, with hair shaggy and warm. Z is for zebra, in a black and white storm.
Love ABC fun?